Welcome to the Swedish Maker. This week I'm finishing up this workbench. Alright, so it's a time to attach the drawer fronts to the drawers. And to do that I have 3D printed these little guys and they will help me align the drawer front to the drawer. And these are made by Alexandre Chapelle. I'll leave a link to his video down below where he made these and where he also made these little boxes to go along with these drawers. And they fit perfectly in a pattern like this. Once that is done, I'm going to use this little template I made to know where to drill the holes for the handles, and I'm going to use these leather handles. So let's do it. I don't know why I threw it on the floor. That's childish. that's it. I am officially done with this massive workbench. And it took some time, I admit, but it became so good. I installed a small vacuum right here, just a little shop vac, and that comes up right here. And I also 3D printed this little vacuum adapter for the hose to fit. And a couple of the drawers, I made these 3D printed boxes. I'll leave links to everything down below. But they are great. These 3D printed boxes made by Alexandre Chapelle. Super good. I made 11 of these small boxes, and I think 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of these a bit bigger drawers that can hold some other stuff. So on the other side of this, I made these cabinets, and they, well, on this side there's not much because that's the table saw side. But for now I just made some shelves inside these cabinets, and they hold all kinds of stuff and some toolboxes. But this workbench is really big, and the idea is that the whole family now can come out here and work together. That's it for this week. I really hope you enjoyed this. I did. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.